Today we'll show you how to join the Super Tendance game in Roblox. Okay, just don't forget like and subscribe and thank you for watching. First go to Roblox application in your app, in your mobile or laptop or what you have. Okay guys? And now open your account. Okay. Now we have this is a Super Tendance here. And this is day. Okay, if you have to see the list of tendons, this is a top tendons of the year, not of the day. All this guys, okay? Just now we need to join just the super tendons. Okay, now to click and to see it, it's a game, it's a good or not. Okay, now we'll see it, it's good or not. Okay, now we wait it. I think now we need wait a few seconds or a few minutes. Okay, just only 1 second guys. Okay, now we will wait inventory. And okay, I think this is a Langdon Kingdom of the Netherlands. I think this is a war game or like playing with okay, skip loading. Okay, yeah, that's so fast, so fast, so fast, so fast. Loading assist. I think oh, 3000. Oh, okay, 2000 now. Yeah, so fast, so fast, yeah, so fast, so fast, so fast. Guys, don't forget like and subscribe and thank you. By the way, I need your support in comments and the liking and subscribing, please. Thank you. Okay, now 3100. 200. And now 300. Okay, now guys, now 304. Okay, yalla, so good. Loading assist. You need this. Okay, now the loading it's complete. Continue. Okay. Okay, I need okay graphic. It's a height. Okay, no problem. Now we'll do a find server. Okay, let's go. This is the game. This is a free camp. So guys, this is a game. You can test it in your PC, in your Roblox, in your mobile. Just don't forget like and subscribe and thank you for watching.